Hi there, welcome to IEL Tutors. In this video, we will learn how to work out surface area of cylinders. After watching this video, you will be able to work out curved surface area by using the formula pi dh or 2 pi rh, and the total surface area of a cylinder by using the formula pi dh plus pi r squared plus pi r squared. Let's start from question number 1. It says the diagram shows a cylinder. Work out its curved surface area. Give your answer in terms of pi. The point to be noted is it's not asking me to work out its total surface area, but it's just asking me for the curved surface area. Basically, I'm not interested in the area of the two circular faces at top and bottom end. I'm just interested in this area here. All around, not just the front part, which I can see. Surface area, that will be equal to pi d, which is the length around a circle, and then I times it by the height, pi dh. Diameter will be 8 times by 12. That will give me 96 pi. We are required to leave our answer in terms of pi, so that's fine. It's 96 pi centimeter squared. Moving to part B of the question, it says, write your answer to part A, correct to 3 significant figures. So let's start this in the calculator. 96 pi. If I press F2D button on the calculator, I get an answer of 301.59. So let me write it down here. 301.59289447 ... But I'm interested in rounding it to 3 significant figures. So basically, to the third most important digit. If I look at the place value of this digit, that is a unit, a whole number. So basically, I need to round this number to the nearest whole number. For this thing, I have to look at the place value of this digit. And as this is 5, and in case of 5 or bigger, we always round the numbers up. So this will become 302 centimeters squared. Let's move to question number 2. It says the diagram shows a solid cylinder. Work out its total surface area. Give your answer in terms of pi. Right, this time we are required to work out its total surface area. And we have also been told that this is a solid cylinder. Right, so in this case, we are not just going to work out the curved surface area. We are going to work out its total surface area, which means I'm going to include top and bottom circular faces as well. So that's why total, I'm going to use the abbreviation T, surface S, and for area A, T as A, I'm going to write total surface area. It's going to be pi dh plus pi r squared for one of the faces, say top face, and then also for the bottom face as well, pi r squared. And so if we see pi times diameter, if radius is 6, diameter will be 12, and height is 10. And pi r squared, we write pi times pi 6 squared, and again pi times pi 6 squared. Altogether, this will give me, I've just used my calculator, 192 pi. That's my answer. And we are required to leave our answer in terms of pi. So 192 pi centimeters squared. Moving to part B of the question, it says, write your answer to part A, correct to 3 significant figures. Right, for this one, I have to use calculator, and if I press this button here, which is F to D, but some calculators, as I've told even previously, that it can be even S to D. But this gives me 603.1857895. Right, so as I'm interested in only up to third most important digit, so I will just look at this digit here, and as this is less than 5, so that's why I won't round it up. I will just leave it as 603 centimeters squared. Let's move to question number 3. It says the diagram shows a solid cylinder. The total surface area of the cylinder is 140 centimeters squared. Calculate the height of the cylinder. As we know, the total surface area of any cylinder will be pi dh, the curved surface area, and plus 2 times pi r squared, the area of the top and bottom circular faces. That's why what we can do is we know that we can substitute these values in. So pi times 10 times h plus pi times 5 squared plus pi times 5 squared. And this will give me 10 pi h plus 25 pi plus 25 pi. I can take pi common, and if I take pi common out of all of this, I will get 10h plus 25 plus 25, and this must be equal to 140 pi. So I can divide both sides by pi. In simple words, we can just cancel pi's. Okay. So which means 10h plus 20 plus 25 plus 25, which is 50. This must be equal to 140. I can take away 50 from either side, and that will give me 10h is equal to 90. Then I can divide both sides by 10. That will give me h is equal to 9, as 90 divided by 10, that gives me 9. So the height of this cylinder is 9 centimeters. Let's move to question number 4. It says the diagram shows a solid cylinder. The surface area of the cylinder is 68 centimeters squared. Calculate the height of the cylinder. As we know, to work out the total surface area of a cylinder, we use the formula pi dh for the curved surface area around the cylinder, and plus 2 times pi r squared for the two circular faces. I'm just using a shortcut formula instead of writing pi r squared separately. And we've been told that that is equal to 68 pi. So if I substitute the values in, pi times 4 times h plus 2 times pi times r squared, which is 2 squared, and that equals 68 pi. This will give me 4h pi plus 4, 2 squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 pi. That equals 68 pi. If I divide the whole equation by pi, this will give me 4h plus 8, that equals just 68, because pi will disappear from here, and from here. Okay, right. So, and if I take away 8 from both sides, we'll get 4h equals 60. And if I divide both sides by 4 now, I'll get h equals 15 centimeters. Let's move to the next question. It says the cylinder below has a surface area of 126 centimeters squared. Find the value of x. Again, if its total surface area is equal to 126 pi centimeters squared, we have to write the formula for the curved surface area, which is pi dh, and plus 2 times pi r squared. This will equal 126 pi. Okay, and what is diameter of this? The diameter of this one is 2x. So we'll write pi under 2x times by 6x, which is the height, plus I will write 2 times pi times by r squared. Radius must be just x. So x squared, and all of this is equal to 126. If I just simplify this, I will get 2 times 6 is 12, and x times x will be x squared. So 12x squared pi, plus I will get 2 times x squared, which is 2x squared, and then pi. And on the right-hand side of the equation, I get 126 pi. Divide both sides with pi. I will get 12x squared because this will help us get rid of pi. So this will, the equations will be reduced to 12x squared plus 2x squared is equal to 126. Right, 12x squared plus 2x squared will give me 14x squared. That equals 126. I can divide both sides by 14. And this will help us get rid of 14 from left-hand side, and 126 divided by 14 will give me 9. And if x squared is equal to 9, I can just simply square root both sides, and square rooting both sides will give me, as you know, x equals positive 3 or x equals negative 3. In this case here, we can't accept x being negative 3 centimeters, so this value will be rejected. So the final answer will be x equals 3 centimeters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.